Good morning, RIS Jaguars.
Good morning, Miss Salerno.
Today, during our Unity Day celebration, we're going to celebrate kindness in our school. And we're going to make a pledge together, boys and girls, to continue to be kind and supportive to each other.
Let's all come together and celebrate unity by building a world in which there's no place for anything other than kindness.
Thank you, Jaguars, for promising to follow the No Bullying Pledge to make sure that our school is bully-free.
No, read it. What does it say? Be kind.
I'm a little boy with glasses, the one they call a geek. A little girl who never smiles 'cause I've got braces on my teeth. And I know how it feels to cry myself to sleep. But don't laugh at me, don't call me names, don't get your pleasure from my pain. In God's eyes, we're all the same. Someday we'll all have perfect wings. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me.